How often do your family, friends, and strangers see you in your shirt each day, week, month, or year? 10 to 30, 50 to 100 or more. Could that many exposures to an antique wisdom that has passed the test of time to encourage, educate, or entertain generations for centuries to be wiser and kinder have any long-term effect? Of course it will. Repetition is how we learn most everything in life. Social equalities are wearable shareable wisdoms repetitively shared without saying a word. Change your shirt, change the world, one mind at a time. It is easier to build strong children than to repair broken men. Frederick Douglass 1818 to 1895. This powerful quote by Frederick Douglass, the renowned African-American abolitionist, social reformer, and statesman, speaks to the critical importance of early education, nurturing, and character development. The depth of this statement goes far beyond a simple parenting advice. It encompasses several profound insights. 1. Prevention versus rehabilitation. Douglass suggests that investing in children's development, emotionally, intellectually, and morally, is far more effective and efficient than trying to heal or correct deeply ingrained negative patterns in adults. It's essentially arguing for proactive rather than reactive approaches to human development. 2. Social responsibility. The quote implies a collective responsibility towards children. It's not just parents, but society as a whole that plays a crucial role in shaping future generations. Building strong foundations means providing education, support, compassion, and opportunities. 3. Holistic development. Strong children isn't just about physical strength, but about developing resilience, character, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and moral grounding. Douglass, who himself overcame the brutal system of slavery and became a powerful intellectual and social leader, understood the transformative power of nurturing human potential. The statement is a call to action. Invest in children's development, provide them with support, education, and opportunities, and you create the foundation for a healthier, more just, and more capable society. And if you'd like to get paid for sharing our wearable wisdoms, keep this in mind. Everyone I know wears a shirt, and most of us change them daily, so change your shirt and change the world. Social equalities are blatantly subliminal antique positive wisdoms repetitively shared without saying a word. This applies to all our wearable shareable wisdoms, like pretty witty baby onesies and pretty witty kids. Youthful truths let your kids gain confidence sharing antique wisdoms with their friends. Imagine them sharing words of wisdom with classmates and teachers. I think, therefore I think tees I wear is a super easy way to share words of wisdom. With wearable wisdoms to fit babies, kids, and adults, you can clothe a whole family, city, or state. So do the future a favor by encouraging, educating, and entertaining with words of wisdom to help make us all wiser and kinder. And for a downloadable PDF of these team quotes, join the 52 of 8 today.